Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2020 Forest River Rpod RP180. If you've never seen an Rpod, they're really cool. They look very small, but they've got a lot of stuff on the inside and outside. 2-burner cooktop on the outside. Got an awning. Some storage. Now this is a pet friendly unit. I'll show you some cool stuff later on here. Our little frog hiker. Alright. Couples model. Lightweight. You can pull it with just about anything, I think. So our front sleeping area. 3 big windows so you can open up and see whatever you want in the morning. TV. Stereo system. Just look at all the storage here. Just tremendous. Little seating area for eating. Little Dominic refrigerator. This is very cool. Just you push the button in. Nice LED light. Our microwave. More storage. Cool sink. Look at this. Awesome. Another 2-burner cooktop. This is our pet friendly area. You can store your dog dishes and stuff on your travels. Ceiling fan, air conditioner. Now, here we are in our shower area. Look how much room is in here. Just amazing. And more little cubbies back here. If you've never seen an Rpod, please come down and just take a look at it. They're very cool. Got more storage under the bed, everything. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.